guys, it's Maurice. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video is going to be about this little box here. So we're gonna organize whatever inside in this one, which is the baby's clothes. So yeah, this is the drawer for the baby's clothes. It's actually very tiny, guys. I don't know if I'm going to buy a new one for a second one, because you can see I'm right now outside and his room is not totally big for me. I think it's very spacious. I'm planning to take this one out and making him or buying him a small table, maybe like a size of a half of this one, because this one is too huge. So anyways, we're taking out all these drawers and put them in the bed, and I'm sorry with the stain. And we're gonna see which one we're going to keep and which one we're going to give away or keep, because you know my mom wants me to keep all the growing clothes assignment, because she wants to like reuse it in some future of my nieces, which is normal here in Filipino tradition, guys. Normal naman talaga yan. Para sa pamilya namin, it's very normal. So, hindi ko alam guys kung normal sa inyo, pero normal sa amin yung parang ikikip mo yung leftover na clothes ng baby para i-reuse siya again. So, yeah, we're gonna go and do it. So we have an empty box here. Pag nag-go grocery shopping ako, guys, I like to put all my groceries sa box kasi they are very useful. So this time around, gagamitin natin yung one of the boxes that was being used for groceries. Dalawang shelves, hindi ko siya matanggal. Can't get them out. But the other two shelves, I can get them out. So, that's how it looks. It looks very weird and it looks not very sturdy. So, it's cheap also. So, yeah. This is the whole outfit of Simon, or home clothes. And this is his clothes to go outside. I normally separate them because you know they're babies, they normally do a lot of stains, so I'd rather make him a lot of mas mabuti na magkaroon siya ng stains sa home clothes than the clothes for, you know, parties and like going to metros, basically outdoor clothes. Okay guys, so ito lang lahat yung parang na-collect ko. Hindi naman siya, it's not also a lot. It's not so small. There's few, but Simon does other stuff. No, Simon, you leave them there. So these three pieces here, kasi malaki siya kay Simon. So this will be fit to Simon's cousin. You guys all know Frenzy, his one and only cousin. So we're going to give this away to his cousin, and this is all. This pants, I bought this pants for Simon because of their school. They have this buwan ng wika, guys. Tapos wala talagang, this is the smallest pants na nahanap ko. So ito lang. Kaya I'm going to give this one away. So yeah, we're gonna put this one to our office/storage room. Hindi ko na lang siguro siya iti-tape sa top kasi para next time may open siya. So yeah, we're going to put this one in a paper bag and give this away to Frenzy. So right now, I've been uploading, I edit one video yesterday. It's done, so I upload it now. So let's see, where are we now from uploading? It says 9%. So 9%. So later today or tonight there will be another video will be posted. Stay tuned with that one, guys. And actually, since we're talking about that that video guys na I was just uploading, guys, you would notice that I have the same t-shirt or top. It's because it was the same day when I was also filming my getting ready with me, and then right after that I did a vlog. So parang the same talaga yung outfit ko, guys. And you would notice the house is dark because I closed one of the doors kasi it's super hot outside, guys. It's very, very hot. Like, oh my god, it's hurting my eyes. See? It's very bright. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's why I am closing one of the doors. So let's open it a little bit to get air in and out. So okay guys, so yesterday while I was in Bogo, I went in Gaisano, guys, at nakita ko to. It's so cute. It's like it has two flamingos, so I must guess it's girl and boy. So I think, as all you know, this is, or may know or may not know, na ito yung parang yung ilalagay mo yung essential oil, and then maglalagay ka ng candle, tapos siya, it will give you a nice scent, whether what kind of scents you're putting on. But currently I've been loving to have peppermint oil, and I think it's really nice to my nose. That mint is really nice. I felt it. So yeah, and then I also bought a new frame. This picture was me and Boris had our first vacation. So this picture is really like saves a lot of memories with anything start with first. So yeah, one day I will tell you the story about this one. But right now, since my camera is dying, I'm going to make a mashed potato. So I have one half and another one right there. This one is so huge, not so but medium or huge. So I'm just going to peel them out, cut them in pieces, and then boil them. mashed potato and bacon for lunch. Okay guys, we are done having lunch and now we're just going to rest for about 15 minutes. Tapos we're planning to do our nap. So hopefully after we wake up, we have a good nap, I would say. And I would also wash the dishes right away because we have bacon. You know the ants is loving the sweetness. So I'm taking Simon so we can end our video. I hope you guys like watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social medias and link them to the description box. And I'll see